That exercise you do it as your homework. So now we are going to start our new chapter. Yes, new chapter is shapes. Our new chapter name is what? Shapes. You all know different shapes, right? Yeah, just tell me what is this shape? Very good. This is a triangle. What is, who is telling circle? Is this a circle? This is a triangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Square. Okay, so rectangle will, triangle will have three sides. Okay, three lines will be there. Three sides. This is called. This is first line. This is second line, and this is third line. I'm telling you to mute yourself, but you are not at all following it. At the back of you, someone is talking. This will disturb each and every student. Listen, the triangle has how many sides? Three sides. One, two, three. Three sides are there. This is the first side and this is second and this is the third side. Now you can see the rectangle. In rectangle, how many sides are there? One, two. This is the third side and this is fourth. How many sides are there for a rectangle? Four sides are there. Same like a square also. Four side is there. One, two, three, four. The square also having three side. Now you can see a circle. How many side? How many sides are there in a circle? And also for oval shape. For these two shapes, okay, if it is a circle, oval, you can see. So for these type of shapes will not have any sides. There will be no side for a triangle, rectangle, square, like, right. So these shapes will have sides, and circle and oval shape and yes, the circle and oval will not have any sides. Now just listen. Listen here. So can you see a shape? How the wire is now? It is a, this is called curved line. You can see the line is like this. The line is like this, right? Yes, the line is like this. So this is called curved line. This is called curved line. Curved, L-I-N-E, line. curved line. This type of line is called curved line. This type of line is called curved line. And next one, this you can try it with any rope. If you are giving some looseness, then you will get this type of line. If you are stretching it out, see, if you are stretching it, you will get a straight line. Now I am stretching it, so now I am getting a straight line. If you are stretching it, you will get this type of line. This line is called straight line. So if you are getting this type of line, this line is called straight line. Straight line spelling is S-T, Ch, right. RAIGHT. Straight. Straight. Yes. Class முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் class முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கேன்ல. So if you are stretching any rope, you will get a straight line. If you are giving some looseness, if you are just relaxedly, if you are holding now, you will get a curved line. Yes, can you able to see this? If you are stretching it out, you will get a straight line. This is called straight line. One more line is there. This is straight line, Dama. So if you are holding it like this, yeah, you will get this type of line. This is slanting line. This is called slanting line. This is what? Slanting line. Okay, slanting line. This is called slanting line. Curved line, straight line, and if you are holding like this is straight line. First one is what? Curved line. Straight. If you are stretching it straightly, you will get a straight line. If you are stretching it down or this type, this is called slanting line. The line is like this. This is called what? Slanting line. SLANTING. Slanting line. This is called what? Slanting line. If the line is like this is called slanting line. Okay, next. Next, just listen. Okay, this is a door. This is a door. Okay, this is a door. In this door, you can get two types of line. Okay, don't see inside, just look at outside alone. You just imagine a door first. Okay, so upside you can see the top and the bottom. Okay, the lines are like this. Yes, how the line is at the top and bottom. It is like a straight line. This straight line is also called as horizontal line. What it is? Horizontal line. Okay, ma? The straight line at the bottom and the top of the door, fridge. Okay, door, fridge is called horizontal line. Yes. Next one. This is called horizontal. Horizontal spelling I will write now. You just remember it. HORIZONTAL. 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 Horizontal line. 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 Horizontal line. Okay. If the line is, this is also called as straight line. Also we can call it as horizontal line. Okay. At the top and the bottom of a door, fridge, or you can take your pencil box. If it is a rectangle box, if it is in rectangular shape, you can take the box also as your example. At the top and the bottom of your box will be straight line. That means horizontal line. Next, if the line, you can see the side of the door. This side, these two sides are called. These two sides will have the line like this. Okay, these two sides will have the line like this. This is first, second, third, fourth. You just consider 1, 2, 3, 4. The 1 and 3 is called what? 1 and 3 is called straight line. That means horizontal line. Now you can check second and third line. Second, second and fourth only. Second and fourth line. The lines are like this. So this type of line is called vertical line. This type of line is called vertical line. Vertical. Vertical line. This is called vertical line. Yes. So look now we are learning the line. What are all the different types of lines are there in different shapes. Okay. So if the line is like this is called horizontal line like this. If it is in standing position, we will call it as vertical line. Now you can see the board also. This side is like this. So we can call this side as horizontal side. Okay, this is horizontal line. Now these two sides are there, right? This and all called vertical line. Now you can see that this side and this side line. So if the line is in standing position, that is called vertical. So now we are learning few lines, different types of lines. From first I will tell you now. The line is like this or like this. Okay. Okay, these and all having a curve. So these are all called curved line. This is called curved line. Curve spelling is C-U-R-V-E, curve, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved. Curved line. This is called what? Curved line. Okay, ma? This is called curved line. Next. If the line is like this, if you are stretching any rope or any wire, like if you are stretching it, we will get what line? Straight line. We can call it as yes, straight line, or one more word I said, horizontal. We can call it as straight line or horizontal line. These two names are for this line. If the line is like this, we can call it as a straight line or horizontal line. Next, if the line is like this, one name only. If it is like this, okay. So this is called slanting, slanting line. This is called slanting line. If the line is in this shape, it is crossed. Instead of straight, if the line is crossed somewhat, This type of lines are called slanting line. Okay, this is called slanting line. Next one is a standing line. Usually you know it as standing line, right? Hereafter you can tell a vertical line. Vertical line. The standing line only is known as vertical line. Okay, standing line also we can say, also we can tell it as vertical line. Okay, if you are having any doubt, I'll give you 5 minutes time at last. That time you can ask your doubt. Next, next one is, now I'm just going to draw one shape. Yes, what shape it is? It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle. The sides are the straight line that forms a plane shape. So now you can see, using the different type of line only we got one shape. What are all the different lines are here? Here one horizontal line is there. Here you can see a vertical line. So if you want to draw any shape, if you want to make any shape, we need different types of line. Without only one line, we can't get it. Only if we are drawing any one line, we won't get any type of shape. If you want to get any shape, if you want to draw any shape, we need to use different types of line. For this, if you want to draw a rectangle, you need a horizontal line as well as vertical line. Then only you will get a rectangle. Next, you can see a triangle. If you want to draw a triangle, you need to use the slanting line. You can see the line is like this. This type of line is called slanting line. திவ்யா அடிச்சிருவேன் திவ்யே கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன்ல போங்க. So this is called slanting line. If you want to draw a triangle, you can just tell it as a triangle. But if you want to draw a triangle, you are using two different type of lines. So this is called slanting line, and down you are using the straight line. No, how we will call this is horizontal line. Okay, we have to use two slanting line and one horizontal line to draw a triangle. So now we just listen. So if we completed one rectangle. So now we are going to see the side. What is side means? Each and every side, the straight lines, one straight line are there, right? So each different lines will have one side. So this is a line. So this is one side. Now you can see this second side here, third side. So for this line, one more side, four side. So the rectangle is having how many sides? Four side. Okay. Now you can see the corners. Corners are there, right? What is mean by corners? Corners means two lines are meeting in one point. This line and this line. I am just drawing this fourth and third line alone. I am drawing the fourth line and the third line. The both line are meeting in this point, right? So this type of this wherever we are having the meeting point, that is called edges. What is this? This type of this point and all called this point and all called edges. Okay, ma? So if it is a triangle, how many side is there? Side means what I said. Where you have to check the sides. Wherever you are having the line, straight line will have one side. Okay, so now you can see this line will have one side and here the second side and this is the third side. So the triangle is having how many sides? One, two, three. Three sides. The triangle is having three sides. Okay. Triangle is having how many sides? Three sides. Now, how many edges are there? How many corners are there? We will see. How many corners the triangle is having? For that you have to keep a dot wherever two lines are meeting together. So now you can see these two lines are meeting together and these two lines are meeting together here and these two lines are meeting here. So now wherever we are keeping the dot, that much corners this shape is having. Now you can count 1, 2, 3. How many corners are there? 3 corners are there. Okay, how many corners are there in a triangle? There are 3 corners. 3 corners. Straight line, wherever you are having a straight line, that line will have one side, so you consider it as one side. So 1, 2, 3, three side is there, two line are meeting together, no, that point is called corner. So here you can see three corners are there. Next we will see circle. Okay, now you can see a circle. You just check whether any straight line are there. If straight line is there only means we will get a side. So here you can see there is no straight line in the circle. So there will be no side. So zero side. There will be no side. If it is a straight line, then only we will get straight line, horizontal line, vertical line. Then only we will get a side. So in circle, in oval, we'll get there will be no sides. And also you cannot find the corners. If you are having any point, then only if the meet up only we will call it as corners and edges. So here you can see there is no edges, there is no corners. So zero corners for this circle. Yes.